Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations. I'm here to show you my project share through Global Land. They sent me some merchandise. I did an unboxing. I'll link it in the card here. I will also link it down in the description box. Also, I will link everything of their information down below, their website and the merchandise I received from them. So this is my first project share, and I got this die set. Now everything cut out perfect. I mean everything. So what I did is I cut this, I cut it out, and then I colored this background black, so it was bees, like a bumblebee. But everything cut out perfect. Everything did what it was supposed to do. It was perfect. But like I said, this is more of an embossing. It still cut out the piece, but I had to like color it in with the black, and I love how it turned out. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with this kit. So I will show you what I did. And then I had got this journal from a sweet friend, Wicked Imprints. She made this for me. It is beautiful. It's resin, and I've only made a couple journal entries, so I'm going to cover this up real quick. So I'm going to show you what I did. So I sprayed this here. Well, first I just kind of whitened this with the page. I just kind of did this bit, and then I sprayed it really well because it's on my hands, as you can see. And then I took this Distress, I forgot I had this stuff. Everything is packed away. It's coral, and I sprayed my paper down. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write my, little bits here and there throughout the page. Anyway, and so I cut all these pieces out, and I'm going to cover that. I cut all these pieces out. I got the leaves here, the Be Happy. This is the hive, and this is the background. I layered it. It's a layered piece. I took the honeycombs and I put two here, and then I put one here, and I put one up here. This is a sticker from the Dollar Tree. I wanted to add another bug on there, and I cut my bees. So basically, I took a black ink pen and colored the bee part in. So right here, right here, right here. And then I'm just going to write some things on the sides and the date on the top. They'll be in certain places. And this is a reminder for me to be happy. And so I am pretty happy with the way this turned out. I don't do a lot of mixed media. I need a lot of practice, but these turned out wonderful. And then I took my sponge, and I just kind of, did this bit on the wings, added a little extra white on it. And yeah, this is my project that I did with these dies. And then I use sparkle paper also for the flowers, which are right here. So yeah, I used it all. I love the way it turned out. So I want to thank Global Land for letting me review their products, and like I said, everything cut out. And also they have the embossed type prints on here, and if you look at the wings, it's kind of got spray on it. The wings have some lines on it for like embossing as well. So this turned out so wonderful. I'm actually very happy with it. And like I said, I'm going to write some things here. Yeah, that is my project. Let me know down in the comments what you think of my project. So, there we go. All right. All right. Thank you all for watching my video. I greatly appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one. And I will have Global Land down below in the description box. Please go click on their website and go check them out. All right, everyone. Take care. Bye.